In this video, I'll show you how to rearrange the order of your Instagram photos after posting. So all you need to do is head over to your Instagram profile and click on the collection of photos that you want to reorder. So here's my post. Currently, I have 4 photos inside of this collage. So in order to rearrange this and have a different photo at the start, what you need to do is click on the 3 horizontal dots in the top right-hand side, click on Edit. And then we're going to delete the photo that we no longer want at the beginning. So this is my beginning photo at the moment, but let's say we want to place this at the end instead. Then all you need to do is press on the trash icon in the bottom right hand side. Now this isn't going to permanently delete it, so don't worry, just press on delete. Once you've deleted that photo, you can see now that my third photo moves up a space, and that's now the first photo. So all you need to do now is get your 4th photo back. And to do that, just click on done. Head over to your profile, click on the navigation in the top right hand side, click on your activity, click on recently deleted, and here you'll find the photo that we just deleted. Click on that, click on the 3 horizontal dots in the top right, click on restore, and then select restore. So now if I head back over to my profile and refresh the page, if I click back on this collage of photos, you can see now that the dog photo has been restored, but it's right at the end of this collection. So it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you rearrange your photos in Instagram after posting. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribe.